Hello viewers, I have been using Vivo T3 5G for about 15 days. During my 15 days of usage, I have received an update that is security patch level of March 2024. After that software update, some bugs have been fixed. The performance of the smartphone has increased a lot. Today in this video, I will talk about the display, the camera, the UI, the battery life, etc. Vivo T3 has been launched with Android 14 and I have received an update of security patch level, so it is a great thing that it will get more two updates, that is Android 15 and Android 16. You can pause the video and see what is there inside this new update. In short, the camera, the Bluetooth connection and the display, all things have been fixed with this update. Vivo T3 runs on Android 14 along with FunTouch OS 14. The software of Vivo is not so smooth, but after this update I can see that app switching time is very good. However, it is not as smooth as any Samsung or any other brands. Vivo needs to improve on the animation of app switching. This phone has 8GB of RAM and RAM management seems to be okay. It can keep apps in the memory up to 6 to 8 apps. So if you open too many apps, it will not be in the memory. However, considering the price point, it might be said that the RAM management is above average. If you are using an older version of Vivo phones such as Android 12 or 13, then you will not get this sidebar. This feature is available only along with Android 14. However, it is my personal opinion that it should be more feature rich, such as sidebar has no option of taking screenshot or you cannot smart select the screen. That feature is available in Samsung. However, the phone seems to be snappy when it runs on 120Hz of refresh rate. The screen of Vivo T3 is HDR10+ certified and HDR content on this phone looks very good. The display quality I would say is average. However, if you spend more money you can get more vibrant display, but considering the price point, the display is very good. And it has another feature. After this update you can boost the sound up to 200%, so it will be more loud than before. However, the stereo speakers were little bit muted as I have said in my previous videos, but this problem has been fixed after this update. Vivo T3 comes with 50 megapixel main sensor and 2 megapixel depth sensor, and there is another flicker sensor which is of no use. The camera quality seems to be very good after the update. The camera quality was previously also very good, but after this update the color algorithm has changed and you can get a vibrant picture and full of details. The quality and the details of the cameras are very good. There is a 50 megapixel dedicated lens. You can use that lens. Let me show you a sample shot so that you can have an idea by yourself how is the quality of that 50 megapixel sensor. Normally phone takes 12.5 MP shots, but in 50 megapixel there is a pixel binning technology which uses and gives you excellent results. As you can see here, the portrait lens also works very good. It can take 1x and 2x portrait shot. In case of 2x there is a digital zoom and the end result is satisfying. You can get enough detail in the photo, and also there is 1x mode. In case of 1x you will also get a decent picture which you can use in your social media accounts like WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, etc. So it might be said that the main sensor has excellent quality in terms of image processing and after processing. Talking about the videography, the phone can shoot videos up to 4K 30 fps, and in this case also you can see that I am taking this video in 1080p 30 fps and it seems to be very good. The stabilization seems to be okay. T3 can be used for casual videography. However, if you want serious vlogging or videography, you can skip this phone. As you can see here, there is option of 4K 30 fps and 1080p 60 fps. So you have to choose between these options, and there is no wide angle sensor, so this wide angle sensor is missing, and that might be a deal breaker for many users. One thing that has improved a lot after this update is the battery life. However, the battery life was also very good before, but after this update you can feel that this is a real 5000 mAh phone that you can use for a longer period of time. You can see here that I have already got a screen on time of 4 hours plus, and I have used it on JioCinema, YouTube and many other platforms, and yet there is 47% of charging left in this phone. So it might be said that the battery life will give you an SOT of 6 hours plus at least on a single charge, and also it comes with 33 watt of charging, so you don't have to worry about the charging, and there are some options to protect the battery of Vivo T3. So battery life is also very good after the update. But everything is not good in Vivo T3. I have used this phone for about 15 days and I have used the back cover, and you can see that there are scratches. So it is getting scratches very quickly as the backs and the sides are made of plastics. You can feel the cheap quality plastic around this phone, so it might be a matter of concern for a lot of users. So this is the review of the software update that I have received earlier. I think Vivo T3 is a great option for those users who have a tight budget and who are okay with the main sensor and who doesn't need any kind of wide angle sensor. I hope you have liked this video. If you have liked this, please hit the like button and share this video, and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. And if you have any question regarding this phone, feel free to ask me in the comment sections below. I will try to answer those questions to the best of my knowledge. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.